What's the scary thing that happened in a relationship that you've been in?
I mean, I think mine's a little bit more like heartbreaking compared to this. But it was actually really funny. Like if I talk about it right now, but in the moment it was not. I was like traumatized. But I was out of the country, okay? And I was with this guy and I was thinking, this is it. It's too good to be true. What a life. And like, wow, this is the best relationship. And we were going out for this dinner and he was like, you know, I'm going to go for a shower. Why don't you book the Uber? And I was like, dude, my phone's dead. Can I just book it from your phone? And he's like, yeah. And the moment he's like, yeah, just, you know, use my phone and book the Uber. And I'm like, okay, I'll book the Uber and whatever.
Right.
And I see this ping. And I obviously know his ex-girlfriend's name. So I'm like, this is not good. And obviously I opened the chat. Yes. And then it was not good. And I was like, okay, you know, it's fine. Just one girl, it's fine. But of course, I'm going to
you're quite a threshold.
The second girl popped up. The third girl. The fourth. The fifth. There were 5 girls he was messaging. And I was like, this cannot be happening.
This is your ex?
Yeah, huh?
This is your ex?
Yeah, I mean... I mean, that much self-respect I have, guys. But in the moment, I of course opened my phone. I went on Snapchat and I Snapchatted all my girls of fucking screenshots. And I was like, this is exactly what's happening to me. What do I do?
Oh shit! You have taken screenshots and sent it from his phone to your phone, or taken a picture of the picture?
No, like I took a picture because if I screenshot it from his phone, then it'll come on his album, right? So I thought the whole thing out.
And then iPhone will show him a music memory.
So then I sent it to my girls, and then some, like my friend Ananya, she was like, catch a train and just come here.
Oh, your friend Ananya? My friend also, yeah.
She was like, oh, just, you know, catch a train, come here, because we were like pretty close by. It was like Christmas time, everyone was traveling. So I was like, I can't just fucking catch a train and come there, dude. It doesn't work like that. Like, what do I do? And this whole dinner, I'm pretending like everything's okay. The next day, pretending like everything's okay. The third day also, I'm going with it because I don't know what to do, right? I'm stuck. Like, if I was home, I would be like, fuck off right now. But I didn't know what to do. But then he came with like a pair of really expensive earrings. And he just gave it to me. And I took the back and I was like, fuck off! Yes. And he's like, guilty fucking earrings. Yes. And now, like, I went mental. But I still have the earrings.
Of course.
Exactly.
Damn right.
I still wear them also. Like, I've earned those earrings.
Yeah. In his defense, I just think that if he was already talking to 5 girls and still could tell that something was wrong with you, that means he was very emotionally perceptive.
नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग कर रहा है